Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can draw manually in your app designs and projects on Base44, so let us guide you through this. You will need to access your app project through the app editor here on Base44, then switch to preview and select the canvas at the bottom for the given page of your app design. Then click into edit, and here on the right hand side guys you will see the pencil tool or draw tool. You may also use the shortcut D for that. And customize the brush. You may, for example, click into that color here and choose a custom color by entering a hex color code or using that slider here. Here you may, for example, adjust the brush thickness and then start the drawing on the canvas. Right, like this. So we got a smiling face like that for the sake of this tutorial. That's how we do it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.